Hello guys, I use my phone Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. This version 6GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. In completion we have key for SIM slot, protected back cover, device in the white color. Okay. In the box we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. That's all. This is all completion. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the back side triple camera and LED. On the front side 6.4-inch display and front camera. On the right side slot for 2 SIM card. On the left side slot. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside headphones jack, speaker. Headphones jack microphone. On the downside speaker and USB Type-C port. Okay. Turn on device. Okay, wait to load. Turn on device. AMOLED display, resolution Full HD 6.4-inch, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Okay, look settings. Android version. MIUI Global 10.3.1. Android 9. Okay. Open Geekbench 4, Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. This is octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, CPU speed 1.7 and 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 616. History. Single core score and multi-core score. This CPU test results and GPU test results. Close this and open Antutu bench. Look Antutu score. Okay, Antutu score. And open the monthly game Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Display setup, mouse graphic level. Okay, game load. On the max graphic level, we can play. Okay, guitar on the max graphic level will work normal. Close this and open camera. Triple main camera. 48 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.